Ladies and gentlemen, if you need to know how to set up your DreamHost email, I've got you covered. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. So without further ado, let's get it done. So let's go ahead and set up our email. On the left-hand side from your homepage or your dashboard, you'll see the mail. So right over here, you want to click on Manage Mail, and you should have purchased an email address when you purchased your hosting. So on the right-hand side, we have some options. We have the Create Email. Let's go ahead and click on this. And here you will have to add your domain. So let's go and click on our domain. And here we'll have to add our email address. So for example, let's just go support. And here we want to choose fully hosted email. This will allow you to send, receive, as well as store email. We're going to go ahead and click on continue, and over here you'll have to add a mailbox name and then a password. Okay, so this will take a few seconds to actually generate, but once it's generated, we can literally manage everything right from here. So the little envelope icon you can click on, and you'll be able to now manage all of your mail directly from here. So you'll have to log in at first, so you'll have your email account and then your password. And we are now in. We can see our inbox drafts, sent, junk mail, as well as our trash.